Coates industrial threads are available in a number of substrates, sizes, specifications and colour shades to meet all possible customer needs. For selected items, a new core offer has been formed to support ordering from guaranteed stocks, ensuring excellent service and enabling speed and productivity gains. This will include commonly partnered threads for the needle and looper. There's no need to worry about a compromise on quality or colour consistency, as these are the same high specification Coates products you already know and use. A new digital app will help you to identify what selected products are included within the core offer based on details like article, brand, ticket, length and finish. Immediate access, anytime, anywhere, in one click. Access the app on our website. For existing Coates eCom customers, the app is already available within the eCom platform. Visit our website or eCom platform to try our core offer digital app to see the benefits you can bring to your business.